When a woman ignores you, the worst thing you can do is panic, overthink, or chase after her desperately, because that only lowers your value in her eyes and makes you seem needy. The key to handling this situation is to stay calm, composed, and confident while focusing on yourself rather than obsessing over her behavior. Women are naturally attracted to men who have self-respect, purpose, and emotional control. So if she's ignoring you, you need to take a step back and assess the situation logically, rather than reacting emotionally. First, ask yourself why she might be ignoring you. Did you come on too strong, overwhelm her with attention, or seem too available? If that's the case, she might be pulling away because she feels the interaction is moving too fast, or she's losing attraction due to a lack of challenge. Women are drawn to men who provide a sense of mystery and excitement. So if she feels like she already has you completely figured out, or that you're too eager, she might instinctively withdraw. On the other hand, if you barely put in any effort or showed mixed signals, she could be ignoring you because she thinks you're not interested. Another possibility is that something in her personal life changed. Maybe she's dealing with stress, family issues, or personal struggles, and ignoring you has nothing to do with you at all. Whatever the reason, your best move is always the same. Don't chase. If she's testing you, which many women do subconsciously, she wants to see if you'll stay emotionally strong or if you'll crumble under pressure. This is a critical moment that determines whether she sees you as high value or as someone who can be easily manipulated by her behavior. If she ignores you and you immediately start bombarding her with messages, calling her repeatedly, or acting desperate for her attention, you're showing that you're overly invested and that she has power over you. This makes you less attractive because it signals that you're seeking her validation rather than standing in your own confidence. On the other hand, if she ignores you and you simply carry on with your life, unbothered and focused on your goals, you demonstrate strength, independence, and emotional control, qualities that are naturally attractive to women. If she's ignoring you because she lost interest, then the best response is to stop pursuing her entirely and shift your focus elsewhere. This doesn't mean being bitter or holding grudges. It simply means understanding that attraction is not something you can force. If a woman truly values you and is genuinely interested, she will make an effort to stay in touch. If she chooses to walk away, your time is better spent improving yourself rather than trying to convince her to stay. Too many men waste their energy chasing women who aren't reciprocating their efforts, instead of putting that energy into their own personal growth. The more you invest in yourself, whether it's your fitness, career, mindset, or social life, the more naturally attractive you become, not just to this woman, but to many others as well. Confidence and self-improvement are key. Instead of sitting around wondering why she's ignoring you, use this time to work on your physical and mental strength. Hit the gym, refine your style, develop new skills, and expand your social circle. Women are drawn to men who have purpose and drive, not to those who sit around waiting for their attention. If she sees that you're thriving without her, she may start to wonder if she made a mistake in ignoring you. The paradox of attraction is that the less you seem to need someone, the more they want to be around you. Now, if she eventually reaches out again, you have the upper hand. At this point, you need to decide whether she's worth your time. Does she genuinely care about you? Or is she just seeking attention because she noticed you stopped chasing her? If she's reaching out with real interest, you can respond, but do so on your terms. Don't immediately drop everything to accommodate her. Keep the conversation light, fun, and confident, without acting like you were waiting for her return. On the other hand, if she only reaches out occasionally, gives you vague responses, or plays hot and cold, then she's likely just using you as an option, and you should move on. A high-value man does not tolerate inconsistency or disrespect. However, if she continues to ignore you despite your efforts to engage her in a healthy and balanced way, then the best course of action is to respect her space and move on without bitterness. A woman who is genuinely interested in you will never leave you wondering where you stand. If she makes you feel like you have to constantly chase her or prove your worth, she is not the right one for you. A confident, high-value man does not waste time on people who don't reciprocate interest. Instead, he invests in himself and naturally attracts better opportunities, whether that's in dating, career, or life in general. One of the most important things to remember in situations like this is that your self-worth is not dependent on a woman's attention or approval. Many men make the mistake of tying their confidence and happiness to whether or not a particular woman is interested in them. This mindset is dangerous because it gives someone else power over your emotions. True confidence comes from within. It's built through accomplishments, self-discipline, and personal growth. When you understand this, no woman ignoring you will ever shake your self-esteem, because you know your value is not defined by her actions. So the next time a woman ignores you, don't react emotionally. Instead, take a deep breath, shift your focus to improving yourself, and continue living your life with purpose. If she comes back, it's on your terms. If she doesn't, it's her loss, not yours. Keep your standards high, your energy focused, and always remember that you are the prize. A man who values himself does not chase, he attracts.